Albert Genius stops working most often when the app can't properly sync your banked data, or when its automated recommendation system loses access to your transaction history. By the end, you'll know why Albert Genius breaks, how to fix it step by step, and what to do if it won't turn back on at all. Start with the most common issue. Albert Genius depends on a stable bank connection. If your bank is disconnected, partially synced, or showing errors, Genius can't analyze your spending or generate insights. Fixing the bank connection inside the app is usually what restores the feature. Next, check your transaction history access. Genius needs full visibility into your recent transactions to work correctly. If you recently changed banks, updated login credentials, or revoked permissions, the system may stop generating insights until it rebuilds your data history. Reconnecting the account forces a fresh sync. Now look at app sync delays. Sometimes Genius isn't broken, it's just stuck in a delayed update cycle. This happens when new transactions haven't fully processed yet. In that case, closing the app completely and reopening it after a short wait can refresh the data feed. Another issue is outdated app versions. If your Albert app isn't updated, Genius features can fail because the recommendation engine relies on updated backend systems. Updating the app ensures compatibility with the current data processing system. Also check for low account activity. Genius works best when it has consistent spending and income data to analyze. If your account has limited recent activity, the feature may appear empty or unresponsive because there's not enough data to generate insights. If nothing works, reset the connection entirely. Log out of Albert, remove your linked bank account, and reconnect it from scratch. This clears broken sync states that often block Genius from loading properly even when everything looks fine on screen. Here's the simple breakdown. Albert Genius stops working because of broken bank syncs, missing transaction access, outdated app versions, or delayed data processing. Most issues come down to the app not having fresh or complete financial data. Do this next. Update the app, reconnect your bank account, and let at least a short period of normal activity pass so Genius can rebuild your insights. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes on common finance app problems.